In order to show GPU and FPS graphs on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, we need to go to Settings, scroll down in the settings to About Phone, and first we need to go to Software Information and keep tapping on build number in order to enable developer options. Enter the screen lock password, press continue, and agree to development settings. Go back to the settings and scroll further down in order to find developer options, and let's go over here. Now we need to find the option for showing the GPU and FPS graphs, and I believe it should be somewhere over here. There we go, GPUWatch. This is the one that we are looking for. So go over here, enable GPUWatch, and we can also adjust our widgets. You can use this plus button in order to add a widget and so on and so forth. And if you go back to the home screen, as you can see, we have our GPU and FPS graphs. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!